Meet the Nexaero F3, your all-in-one GPS drone built for smooth flying and stunning visuals. Comes with its own nice carrying case, a manual, and a quick guide for easy use. This thing is 2K HDR camera with EIS stabilization built right in. And guess what? This thing also has a built-in 7.22-inch screen, no phone required at all. It includes a micro SD card and reader, extra screws and propellers, a screwdriver, and two USB-C cables, and includes two high-capacity 7.6 modular batteries as well. You get two of them here, and here's everything that is included inside of the bag. This thing charges fast with the included USB-C cable and has 64 minutes of total flight time, so that thing can stay in the air for quite a while. Also includes an 8 GB micro SD card as well, so you can store that footage. Easy to operate. Just insert the battery, spread the wings, and you can fly this baby. The joysticks are stored on the controller as well, and just screw those in clockwise and power on, and you are good to go. Make sure to remove the camera cover though before powering on. And when you do that, you're just going to calibrate the compass by rotating the drone in a couple different directions, and we are ready to put this thing in the air. It has beginner-friendly flight controls as well, so this thing is so easy to fly. Weighs under the 240 grams, so you're not going to have to register this thing with FAA, and it has indoor and outdoor modes, so play with it indoors, but you're really going to want to play with it outdoors. And it also has a smart GPS safety system and all the features you have in a drone, including the auto return home triggered by low battery, signal loss, or manual command. And that was the Nexaero GPS drone. You're going to want to buy yours now.